So in this Google Finance tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to check the PE ratio of a stock here on Google Finance. So once you open up Google Finance, what I want you to do is select a stock of your choice. So for this example, I'll just go to where it says search for a stock, and how about I search for ticker symbol RY, or the Royal Bank of Canada, for this example. So let's go ahead here and press on the stock of my choice. Just go to the right hand side once you have the stock selected to where there's the stats. So it says previous close, day range, etc. I want you to scroll down to where it says PE ratio, or the price to earnings ratio. And for right here, it is 14.18. So just a little description here. The ratio of current share price to trailing 12-month EPS that signals if the price is high or low compared to other stocks. But yeah, you can see it right here. If you want to maybe go to another company, so I'll just go to, how about another banking company? Let's go with TD right here. Toronto Dominion. The PE ratio for this one is 9.87. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to check or how to view the PE ratio, or the price to earnings ratio, of a stock or a company here on Google Finance. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.